He polishes stars with brass-worn grace. Steam curls soft in the frosted space. Lanterns hum through the winter gloom. Toys are born in the copper womb. Santa's hands with iron rings guide the elves where the piston sings. Snow falls light through smokestack air. Magic built with metal care.
We still hum, we still hum.
Through gears that glow and valves that gleam.
We still hum, we still hum.
Turning dreams to clockwork dreams. Elves in goggles, sparks in their hair, hammer joy with a tinkerer's prayer. Silver sleigh on the lift half done. Engines roar neath the Arctic sun. Candy smoke from the geartrain spills. Ticking hearts with wonder thrills. The jingle's made of bolt and beam, and every child's forgotten dream.
We still hum, we still hum.
Snow and soot on copper cheeks.
We still hum, we still hum.
Through the long and starless weeks, one old gear starts to slow, cracked from winters long ago. Santa kneels, his breath a spark, whispers life into the dark. Elves of steam and hearts of flame, the North Star calls your names again. From every pipe, from every seam, the factory wakes and starts to dream.
We still hum, we still hum.
Through the chill where hope was thin,
We still hum, we still hum.
let the Christmas gears begin.
We still hum, we still hum.
Iron hearts and candle flame,
We still hum, we still hum.
for love's the power that turns the same. Under gears and northern sky, old Saint Nick will never die. For even when the world grows numb, listen close.